Fun Ways to Nestle into Nature by Meghan and Caity. Nestling into nature is something that is on everyone's mind, but as time goes on, it is becoming more and more difficult to do so. As a population, we are not being very smart. We are over-farming our land, tearing down our forests, and endangering species along the way. Today we would like to show you a few fun ways to appreciate the beauty of nature, and after watching this, we hope you will want to go nestle into nature. An ice hotel is a temporary hotel made up of snow, sculpted blocks of ice, and some steel framing. These amazing structures have to be remade each year, but they create a unique environment that is unlike any hotel in the world. The guests literally sleep on ice beds with warm furs. You can find these hotels in Sweden, Canada, Norway, Romania, and Finland.
Have you ever been close to tragedy, or been close to folks who have? Have you ever felt the pain so powerful, so heavy you collapse?
As kids, we all dreamt of having a treehouse. Well, now you can stay in a treehouse hotel like the monkeys did. There's no need to take up space on the ground. These hotels can be found wherever thick forests are found.
The Giraffe Manor is surrounded by 140 acres of forest just outside Kenya's capital, Nairobi. As well as the giraffe, the property is also home to many species of birds, large families of warthogs, and the elusive bush buck. The Giraffe Manor is a hotel that will take your vacation to a whole new level. Who doesn't want to hang out with a giraffe?